Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Investor More, standing outside the bad foundation house. So it looks okay from the outside, but we had our engineer come over and he said it's one of the 5 worst houses he has ever seen for foundation problems. And we allocated about $50,000 to work on the foundation, which may or may not be enough. We'll see. We don't have a bid yet. We had to demo the basement so the engineer could come back and see exactly what needs done. We've done that, and we can now show you exactly how bad the basement looks. It's not real pretty down there. Now, we do have plenty of room in this one. We bought it from a wholesaler for $230. The ARV, or after repaired value, should be about $400 when we're done. So $170,000 of profit room is nice. Hopefully we don't use all of it. Hopefully we have some left. So I showed all the house before. There's master bedroom, 2 bathrooms back there, our kitchen. Sorry it's all dark, but we're not showing you the upstairs. We're showing you the garage and the downstairs. So when I first bought it, this was full of stuff everywhere. But you can see some craziness going on with even the garage floor. And so those are massive cracks, as you can see. That little section of concrete right there sunk a good 3 inches. I don't know, they just didn't settle any of this land, or if it's just been moving that much. But the engineer said this side of the house is 6 inches lower than that side of the house. So it's hard to tell in a video, but I can feel everything sloping this way. And downstairs, we can see why. So this is one of our, we have 14 flips going right now, so we've been decreasing the amount of flips we've been doing lately. And we're gonna focus more on commercial real estate, but we still will be doing some flips, and this is the one of the ones I decided would be a good deal. Whether that was a good idea or not, we will find out soon. So this room right here is actually in the best shape of any of them, I think. And it's hard to tell in the video, I'm sure, but that floor bumps up a couple inches higher in multiple spots. So I'm probably standing 2 or 3 inches lower than over here. This is a big mound that juts up. When we had the carpet, you could really see it more so. That crack really juts up, just being pushed up. So I feel like part of the house is being pushed up and part of it is being pushed down, which probably is not a good combination. The other thing the engineer said is he did not think any of this concrete was reinforced. So he said that's another big reason why it's done this, because any movement just destroyed the concrete because it wasn't reinforced. There's really nothing there to stop it. And you can also see multiple places where it looks like they've re-poured sections, cut out sections, re-poured it, and it's done it again. So we will have our work cut out for us for sure. Like I said, we've got about $50,000 allocated for it, maybe a little more, and we'll still be fine on this deal. If we start getting a little higher than that, it turns into a stupid investment in a house I shouldn't have bought. Probably one of the reasons why I should have actually had an engineer look at it before I bought it, but we're in a time crunch and had to make a quick decision. You can see up in here one of the massive cracks right there where you can see daylight outside. The engineer had said before, he didn't give us a definite answer, but pouring sister walls, putting in piers, there are quite a few things they can do to help fix it. Tearing out this slab and redoing it. So we have some options. We'll just have to see what he says now that he can see everything, and hope it's not tear down the house and burn it down. I don't think that'll happen, but you can see there, this, again, I don't know if you can tell, I need like a, here's a bottle cap. I don't know if this will work, maybe. Okay. Oh, that did not work. I didn't do anything. Oh, what are these little marble things? They look nice and dirty. Here we go, we'll show you. Yeah, that slopes about 2 or 3 inches right there. That's the fireplace from upstairs, so that could be contributing. to pushing down on the concrete this side of the house over here. All kinds of things could be doing it. And I'm going to show you the worst part of the house over here. Actually, oh, I forgot the bathroom. Don't want to forget the bathroom. We pulled up all the tile, everything, just so the engineer could see it all. Again, this room is not too bad, except for that giant crack right there. But if we're going to pick one of the best rooms to be in the basement, it's probably this bathroom, the most level. I'm going to pick the worst room to be in. It's either that back storage room we were just in, or this room. And again, should have brought a level with me. That would have been interesting. These studs are mostly straight, but I think they still kind of bow inwards at the top. You can see what the concrete wall does. It actually is like 2 to 3 inches off the stud on the bottom and equal with the stud up there. And you can see these studs, I think, have even been pushed out. So this whole top of the wall is just coming in and being forced in. So I think it's a mix of moving soil and really bad foundation job. You can see here, this is the worst part. I'm being silent for dramatic effect. Yeah, those cracks shouldn't be there, in case you were wondering. And you shouldn't have giant chunks of the foundation falling out. And you shouldn't have your studs 3 to 4 inches lower than your slab here. So that's where this whole corner, I think, sunk an incredible amount and pulled down kind of this whole wall inward, pushed this whole side of the house down. You can see right there how just the whole ceiling is curved. So yeah, we'll see what the engineer says after inspecting the house without drywall and sheetrock. I'm sure he'll come back and say we just need to patch a few of those cracks and we'll be fine. Or maybe not. So that's the house. We'll keep you updated on what happens, what the engineer says. Hopefully, like I said, we can get it done for less than the $50,000 we budgeted just for the foundation. That doesn't include any of the other work. But I would not have my doubts if we are paying more than that now after seeing how crazy it is. So we'll see. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy these videos. We love the thumbs up, the comments, the questions, all that good stuff. Even if you don't agree with me, tell me what you don't agree with, and I'll be happy to argue with you about why you're wrong. That's not a problem. If you do agree with us, we love those too. And lots more information on the blog, investormore.com. Lots of articles, information on all our flips, all our rentals, all that good stuff too. All right, we'll be back with more videos coming up soon.